Alright, I'm here to review using a heat gun versus a hair dryer. So this is my embossing. I'm going to actually turn on my hair dryer and it's going to get a little loud for a little bit. And as you can see, most of the embossing powder actually flew away. So this is the heat gun. And as you can see the difference, the hair dryer actually blew a lot of the powder away. And the embossing heat gun, what it actually does is actually makes the embossing work. So if you're wondering if you should get an embossing gun, a heat gun, I would recommend it very highly. I actually debated of getting one and I found that I was blowing all my powder away. So yes for the heat gun, no for the blow dryer.